turning left, you want to check your mirrors, but at the point of your turn, you want to check your mirrors again, and you're not. That's the only reason why you're making that mistake. So, no big deal. You know, you're good enough to change that. So all you need to do is make sure you've looked, you've assessed, you've decided, then you act on that. Okay, so what you and I are going to do, we're going to go over a test route together. Oh, God. That's not the right thing to do. I'll start that again, sorry. So do you know the ambulance, when I stopped you for the ambulance?
Yeah.
Do you understand why I stopped you for the ambulance?
I should have been out of the way already.
But how would you... Should you have been out of the way, or should you have assessed?
The thing is, I knew it was started from literally up top of Morrison's, and I could see it
Yes.
coming down.
Yes,
and
it did, yeah.
I was wondering, is it going to go right? And then it just wouldn't. I was like, okay, what the hell do I do?
But if you go faster,
Mm-hmm.
do you think that you're not going to be making it worse?
Yeah, 100%.
That's it.
100%.
That's why I slowed you down. I said, look,
You will
stop.
arrive at your destination at
So
9:22
it's easier
a.m.
to park up and stop than it is to carry on doing whatever you're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so personally what I would have done there was I would have just stopped.
Okay.
Hold up on the left, making sure that I'm not an obstruction, I'm not a danger to myself, to any other road user, and just do my own thing. Does that make sense? Yeah. So it's easy just to park up and do nothing than it is to kind of continue going forward and kind of guess what they want you to do. Yeah, does that make sense? Yeah, it's easier for the ambulance driver for you to park up than it is for him to try and guess what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, sat-nav, can you see it from where you sat?
Yeah.
Okay, if you follow the road down, turn the car around at some point, and then you and I will go over the sat-nav route together, okay? And this car's coming back from its driving test.
Oh,
So let's move off when you're ready, because we're obstructing the kind of whole road. That's fine. So that car's just come back from its driving test.
Turn around when possible.
And we're going to go
Then,
further down.
at the end of
We're
the
going to
road,
pull up
turn left.
by the lorry on the left and then turn the car around when it's safe.
Oh. I love that all them kids are in there.
We'll pull up anywhere on the left and then the kids will go, then we'll go. I think she's got a problem with the pram, so let's pull up closer to the curb. So look in your left door mirror, anywhere he's fine. Either that or she's washing a pram.
I don't know, but she's got flip-flops on.
Okay, so when you're ready.
Yeah. I think I'll have to go a little bit ahead.
Okay, so you know that noise that you can hear? That's fine.
Come on. Where's that one going?